In Calgary Farrell, my date was 3/12/1991 is when Salt Lake County, Utah. It shows 00.00 over 14 something up. It's not recording over another video. I'm Alstar Motel, room 123, North Temple, about 750 West or 748 West. I can hear something in the kitchen. It's November 29th, I believe, 2025, 4:09 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Somebody yesterday heard him gas me. I heard him talking in the parking lot at night from last about they're secret. Now, people are doing identity fraud and using my name and doing things that I don't blame people for wanting to kill me for. And so, okay, I do smell the light natural gas. I'm not bad. Like, dense or it's like it's stuck in a small area, very thick or strong, I guess. A snail. I'll close my hand. I want to look out there and see if someone's out there hurt. That's why you said that, and it looks like what I can see. So it doesn't open. I need to have Langes. Which all I have to do is ask them, and I haven't. Wait, let's just come put my window back on track. This is new. There was writing on the table. And then she said it sounded like somebody pulled the tape off. I swear this wall had an electrical outlet. But that hissing noise. That is right. I like staying here. It's $325 a week with a kitchenette. I'm sorry, it's such a mess. I swear there was an electrical outlet on this wall before. Like, even since I printed the room this time, because I've been in this room before. It may have been moved. This right here. I just want to fucking record the sound because I don't have much memory. I'm sorry for swearing and yelling. I have someone told me someone told me though, that's them. When the person who says don't take it out on everyone, that's them. Because then that'll be the nicest like to them because they feel bad like, well, these poor people have nothing to do with it. Okay, so electrical outlet. I thought one was coax. So they said one might be 30, which is coax. Only one outlet work. Outlet will work in 40 is electrical, at least in other places. And I don't remember like the electrical outlet situation on this wall when I first. Right here, this line is seam line. What? Morning goes. Says it's something about that's the culprit. Ow, something tapped my finger. It also was like my focus. I don't think it was just my finger. I don't know what's the culprit. Okay, just since I'm in the room, someone broke in. Candle wax on the floor. What's that? Hello? This is like apartment Bodhi stuff. And then also, like, I was in Tully County or Davis County. Part of, like, them know about the eviction, trying to help. Those are your homes. Bodhi. Earlier was like a bluish green. It was like screen. so screwed. Yeah. Wake everybody up. Yeah, for them to get out of the downstairs. So I can't really hear what they're saying. There's some, we call them whore bags, and that's not right. Because whores aren't like horrible people like these are. Like they go out of their way to hurt me, rape me, rob me, put semen or cum in my food or hygiene. They say I'm supposed to budget for replacing hygiene for this. I'm supposed to budget for this. They're the ones that toured my last apartment illegally. So the reason for eviction is unescorted guests on the property. And fighting and yelling in my apartment, destroying the peace of the community. So fighting with them nonstop. And they were then people like, just say you're here to see Kelly. And they gave effing night. I'd yell, get off the property, you're trespassing. I'd call the police. And then just yelling, they're not my friends, they're not my guests. They raped me, they robbed me, they sodomized me, call the police. Now, so I have my paperwork showing I was supposed to move out at the end of September. And my lease ended at the end of October. And I tried calling, I reached someone else. It's not the same voicemail. I'm just trying to save my apartment. I haven't been in since April. Meanwhile, they said they had my brother. I've tried paying $6,000 to see him. And I don't know why they keep hurting me again, but they keep making up lies. Someone's paid to intentionally misinform $600 a week. They keep saying they said, someone said they're using their own personal experience, but the problem is they're using my name and information. I'm Kelly Ray Farrell. So they're using my name and information, but then they were hurt as a child, and I wasn't. But they're saying using my name and information, talking about being hurt as a child, which is not my experience. How is it my real brother and father, Joseph Scott Farrell and James Scott Farrell's names keep getting brought into it, and they're really being hurt? My dad had a motorcycle accident, C2 and T2, his back broke. When I saw him on Thursday, his hip or knee was hurt, and his nose. And my brother I haven't seen since July 26, 2025. My sister-in-law, one of them said they made her into a tree earlier this year. The parking lot just east of Bodhi. They also have my uncle Charlie Hassan's boat at Carto. Where they did then. My nephew they might have, and they've been targeting my niece London. Okay, so the London that was sexually assaulted is an adult. And she's like 6 years younger than my brother. I don't know how to get a hold of her. I don't think. And we've gone over this over the years. Like, over and over again, we've clarified that, like, no, that's a different woman. And she used to say, no, I'm a different person. You know, not anyway, like, I do care. They'd say I don't care. And I get displaced and have problems all the time for yelling about this, fighting with them and yelling. I don't understand how my family members and people are getting hurt.